Hi, my name is Melinda Beck. I'm an illustrator, animator, and graphic designer based out of Brooklyn, New York. I've been in the field for over 30 years, and this is my studio and apartment. So when I do a job, I do lots and lots of sketching to come up with really good ideas. My sketchbook is full of all of the jobs that I have done. I think a lot about abstraction in art, and I collect objects that are abstract. This is a flyer from a Keith Haring exhibit at Deitch Projects. I grew up in New York, so I used to see his graffiti on the subway all the time. Collect a lot of art books. Here's some of them. Du Buffet. Here's Suko. Barbara Kruger. So I collect a lot of books for their covers. Some Ben Shahn, Alvin Lustig, Paul Rand, some of my kids' art that I really like. I create sculptures with wire, string, spools of thread, pieces of metal. This is my palau, which is a Hawaiian surfboard you don't stand up on. Sometimes I take out to Rockaway Beach and surf. When I am not at my desk, I do a lot of swimming in the ocean, biking, running. So that was my studio. Thanks for stopping by.